Hello, here's how to install Spotify on your LG Smart TV. First off, press the home button on the remote control. Then use the right arrow key on the remote to locate the LG content store. Press enter. Once loaded, use the arrow key to get to the top of the screen, then scroll across to the right to the search button. Press enter. Type in Spotify. And hit search. Scroll down and you will see under the heading Apps, Spotify. Click on Spotify. It asks us to install. Click enter on that. And the app has now been installed and we can launch it. All you need to do now is sign in. So I hope this has helped you install Spotify on your LG Smart TV. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a good day ahead.